the model LT90. So the LT is for the soapstone. This is also available in a thermal boiler model, which is what's shown in the soapstone, but we will be importing the base model without the boiler in the soapstone. So previously I showed you the red ceramic tiles, which is the stove right here. This is the exact same stove with the soapstone finish. The soapstone is really nice because it has thermal storage benefits. So the soapstone usually retains heat for about 8 to 10 hours after the fire goes out, especially because this is a cast iron stove. You do get more thermal mass out of it. So this one is shown with the firebox on the left with the right hand flue. The other one was shown opposite. So you do need to specify at your time of order what side you would like the flue on. Again, we have very much attention to detail here. The rivets on the door, the soapstone panels located above, below, on the sides of the stove. Rizzoli does an excellent job. So again, everything on this stove is 100% made in Italy. This product will be both UL and ULC listed for North America, so that covers all of the United States as well as Canada. So I'm very excited for this product line. It actually shipped out of Italy next week, so we should be getting it here in the US within the next few weeks, and then it'll be sent to testing from there. Once the product is available for sale, we will post it on our website with pricing as well. So inside the firebox, you do have the cast iron grate, cast iron front here, which blocks the logs from falling out the front. You do have ash pan located directly below the firebox. Now this one is the thermal model. So the thermal model has stainless steel panels on the inside. That is because a water jacket does fully surround the firebox. The red model that was shown, that is the base model, not a hydro. So that one has refractory inside the firebox, and again with the cast iron grate on the bottom. Again, oven is very nice and large here. 4 different levels for your racks. Comes standard with 2 pans. Gives you a standard oven grate as well as an enamel pan. I really like this enamel pan because it gives you quite a bit of depth here for any type of drips. Slides in very easily. Again, oven clean out located on the front of the stove. And then of course, as on the other model, very low clearance to combustibles. Once we get those test readings for North America, that will be posted on the website. So you have a damper control located directly below the firebox, which controls your combustion air, and your oven damper is located right here. Again, removable cook plates for wok-style cooking. It does have various different sizes for the removable rings to fit different size pans inside the top of the stove. So this is Sarah with Obadiah's. I am very excited to offer you guys the Rizzoli product line. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.